Hey, Jake. Are mornings hard for you?
Ugh, oh my God, yes.
Really?
So hard. I hate mornings.
Why?
I don't know. I just can't wake up.
Like, you're really tired?
Yeah, my alarm goes off and I'm like, ugh, no.
Do you hit snooze?
Every single day. 3 times.
3 times? Jake!
What? Mornings are hard.
Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to the English Speaking Show.
Hi, everyone.
I'm Ella,
And I'm Jake.
and today we're talking about daily routines. Your day routine.
Yeah, like what you do from morning until you finish work.
And while we talk, just listen to the words we use.
The sentences, the phrases, all of it.
So when someone asks about your routine, you'll know what to say.
Exactly.
Okay, so back to mornings. What time does your alarm go off?
7:30?
And what time do you actually get up?
Like 8?
That's 30 minutes of snoozing.
I know. I can't help it. I keep pressing the alarm again and again.
Yeah, that happens. In English, you can say, I snooze my alarm.
Oh, okay.
Or you could say, I hit snooze a few times.
Yeah, that's definitely me. What about you? What time do you wake up?
Around 6:30.
6:30? That's so early.
It's not that early,
It's super early.
but I like mornings. They're peaceful.
So you don't snooze?
Nope. My alarm goes off and I get up right away.
Wow, I could never do that.
It's a habit.
So what do you do first?
First thing, coffee.
Yes, coffee first.
Always. I can't function without coffee.
Same. I make it right away, before anything else.
Yeah, you could say, I make coffee first thing.
Oh, that's a nice way to say it.
Or, I start my day with coffee.
I like that.
What else do you do?
I take a quick shower, then I put on my work clothes.
Right. So you could say, I take a shower.
And I get dressed for work.
Yeah, simple. Do you make breakfast?
No, just coffee.
Just coffee? That's it?
Yeah, coffee is breakfast.
That's not really breakfast, Jake.
But it works for me.
Okay. What time do you leave for work?
Around 8:15, maybe 8:20. I'm usually running late, grabbing my bag and running out.
Oh, so you're always in a rush.
Yeah, pretty much.
You could say, I rush out the door.
True. Or I leave in a hurry.
Yeah, both work.
What about you? When do you leave?
Around 7:45. I like to leave early so I'm never stressed. I finish my coffee, gather my things, and walk out calmly.
So you have plenty of time.
Yeah, I don't like rushing.
So you could say, I take my time in the morning?
Exactly.
That sounds so relaxed.
It's way less stressful.
What about other people? Like, what do really organized people do?
Well, some people plan everything the night before.
Like what?
They pick out their clothes ahead of time so they don't waste time choosing in the morning.
Oh, so like, I lay out my clothes the night before?
Exactly.
Wow, that's so organized.
Or they make their breakfast ready in advance. They could say, I prep my breakfast ahead of time.
Prep. What does that mean?
Prep means prepare. Get things ready before you need them.
Oh, so like, I prep my lunch the night before.
Exactly.
I should try that.
You should.
But I probably won't.
But what about people who don't have to rush? Like people who stay home or work from home?
Oh, yeah, like stay-at-home parents?
Yeah, or remote workers.
What do they do differently?
Well, they don't have to leave the house, so they can move slower.
Oh, yes. So they could say, I take it slow in the morning?
Exactly. Nice and relaxed.
What else?
They might say, I don't have to leave early.
Or, I have a flexible morning?
Perfect!
That sounds so nice.
It does.
Okay, so after the morning chaos, how do you get to work?
I walk.
You walk? Every day?
Yeah, it takes about 25 minutes.
Wow, that's a long walk.
Not really. It's nice. Fresh air, clear my head.
So you could say, I walk to work.
Exactly.
Or I commute on foot.
Yes, commute means travel to work. How you get there.
Oh, so my commute is 25 minutes.
Perfect.
What about me? How do I say it?
Well, how do you get to work?
I take the subway.
So you could say, I take the subway to work.
Or I commute by subway.
Exactly. How long does it take?
About 20 minutes, maybe 25 if it's crowded.
Is it crowded in the morning?
Ugh, always. So many people.
That sounds stressful.
It is. But I just put my headphones on and zone out.
Smart.
So I could say, I listen to music on my commute.
Perfect.
What about other people? Like, how do other people commute?
Well, some people drive.
Every day?
Yeah, they might say, I drive to work.
Or I commute by car?
Exactly.
What if there's traffic?
Then they might say, I sit in traffic for an hour.
An hour? That's terrible.
I know. That's why I walk.
What about people who work from home? They don't commute at all, right?
Right. They might say, I don't have a commute.
Or my commute is 10 seconds?
Exactly. Just walk from bedroom to desk.
That's the dream.
Some people take the bus too.
So I take the bus to work?
Yeah. Or bikes. I bike to work.
Nice. So many options.
Yeah. Everyone's commute is different. Okay, so you get to work. Then what?
First thing, emails.
How many?
Like 30? Sometimes 40?
Ugh, oh no.
Yeah. So I spend the first hour just reading and responding.
You could say, I check my emails.
Yeah,
Or, I respond to emails.
that works. What about you? What do you do first at work?
I also check emails, but I only get like 10 or 15.
Lucky.
I know.
Then what?
Then I usually have meetings.
Meetings. I have so many meetings.
How many?
2 or 3 a day. Sometimes more.
That's a lot. You could say, I attend meetings.
Yeah. Or I have back-to-back meetings.
Back to back?
Yeah. Like one meeting ends and the next one starts immediately.
Oh, no break.
Exactly. No break.
That sounds exhausting.
It is.
What about people who work from home? What's their day like?
Oh, yeah. That's different, right?
Yeah, they might say, I work from my home office.
Do they still have meetings?
Yes, but they're online.
So I join video calls?
Exactly. Or I have virtual meetings.
That sounds more comfortable. Like you're at home.
It is. No commute, no office stress.
I want that.
Me too.
What about stay-at-home parents? What do they do during the day?
Well, they take care of their kids.
Right.
They might say, I take care of the kids.
Or I look after my children?
Yes, and they prepare meals, do housework.
That's a full-time job too.
It really is.
Do they have breaks?
Not really. Kids need attention all day.
Wow, that's tough.
Very tough. Okay, so what about lunch? What do you do?
I eat at my desk usually.
At your desk? You don't take a break?
Not really. I just keep working while I eat.
Jake, you need a real break.
I know, but I'm always busy.
So you could say, I eat lunch at my desk.
Yeah, that's exactly what I do.
Or I work through lunch.
Totally. What about you? Do you take a break?
Yeah, I take a full hour.
A full hour?
Yes, I leave the office, walk around, get some fresh air.
That sounds so nice.
It is.
So you could say, I take a lunch break.
Exactly. Or I step out for lunch.
I like that. What do you eat?
I usually just eat salad.
Oh, so you could simply say, I eat salad.
Yeah,
What about people who bring lunch from home?
they might say, I bring my lunch.
Or, I pack my lunch?
Yeah, I pack my lunch the night before.
People really plan that far ahead?
Some people do.
That's so organized.
Okay, so after lunch, what does your afternoon look like?
More work, more emails.
Always more emails.
Yeah, and usually more meetings too.
So the afternoon is busy.
Very busy. I'm usually working on projects, finishing tasks.
You could say, I work on projects in the afternoon.
Yeah,
Or I finish up tasks.
that works. What about you?
Afternoons are usually calmer for me. I focus on my main work.
Like what?
Writing reports, planning, focused work.
So you could say, I focus on my main work.
Yes,
Or, I concentrate on important tasks.
perfect.
That sounds productive.
It is. The afternoon is my best time.
What time does your workday usually end?
Around 5 or 5:30.
Same. Usually around 6 for me. So, can I say, I finish work at 6 p.m.?
Exactly. And then you're done for the day.
Yes, finally.
If you're enjoying this, feel free to like and subscribe.
Yeah, and share it with someone learning English.
It really helps us make more episodes.
All right, now let's talk about some useful words we use today.
Yeah, let's go through some of them. First, snooze. That's when you delay your alarm to sleep a bit longer.
I snooze my alarm every morning.
Exactly.
What about commute?
Commute means travel to work, how you get there.
So, my commute is 20 minutes.
Perfect.
And prep?
Prep means prepare, get things ready ahead of time.
Like, I prep my lunch the night before.
Exactly. We also said rush. That means hurry, move very fast.
I rush out the door every morning.
Yes.
What about take my time?
Take my time means go slowly, not hurry, the opposite of rush.
So, I take my time in the morning. And back to back?
Back to back means one thing right after another, no break in between.
Like, I have back-to-back meetings.
Exactly. Those are some of the most useful words from today.
Yeah, really helpful for talking about your routine.
And remember, you don't have to memorize them. Just listen.
The more you hear them, the more natural they become.
Exactly. All right. Now let's practice a few sentences together.
Ella will say the sentence once. I'll repeat it. Then you can pause and repeat as well.
Just listen and repeat if you want.
No pressure, though. Listening is enough.
Ready? Sentence 1. I wake up at 7:30 every morning.
I wake up at 7:30 every morning.
Second sentence. I take the subway to work.
I take the subway to work.
Third sentence. I check my emails first thing.
I check my emails first thing.
Fourth sentence. I take a lunch break around 1.
I take a lunch break around 1.
Sentence 5. I finish work around 5.
I finish work around 5.
Great! Those are 5 useful sentences about your day routine.
You can use them to talk about your own day.
Just change the details to fit your life.
Like, I wake up at 6, or I drive to work.
Exactly. Make them your own. All right. So today we talked about your day routine.
Yeah, from morning all the way until you finish work.
We covered mornings, waking up, getting ready, leaving for work.
Then commute, how you get to work.
Then work, what you do during the day.
Lunch breaks, afternoons.
Everything from start to finish. And we talked about different types of routines too.
Yeah, people who work in offices, people who work from home.
And stay-at-home parents.
Everyone has a routine.
And we learned some really useful phrases.
Like, I snooze my alarm. I rush out the door.
I take my time. I check my emails.
All natural, everyday English.
So the next time someone asks about your routine, you'll know exactly what to say.
Yeah, just use the phrases we practiced today.
And remember, you don't have to be perfect.
Just be yourself. All right, if you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe.
It really helps us keep making these videos.
And share it with someone who's learning English.
We'd really appreciate it.
And hey, part 2 is coming soon.
Yeah, we'll cover evening routines, dinner, relaxing, bedtime.
Everything you do after work.
See you then.
Bye.
Bye.